It's not always possible to install your new machine in a nice indoor location. Sometimes you have to install it outdoors in the environment. And for that at Kaeser we have the outdoor installation kit. It includes firstly a stainless steel weather hood which mounts to the roof of the machine. This weather hood prevents things like rain and snow from getting into the machine and behind the doors in the cabinet. It has a nice lift up door here which allows us to open the door. Additionally, we have this cover which covers up the controller for the unit. This mostly protects it from UV rays which can damage the controller and the screen itself. Inside of the electrical cabinet, you can find that we have a heater. So the heater is in here to prevent condensation from forming inside of the electrical cabinet and getting on the various components and possibly shorting them out. Now inside of the machine, we also have a series of heaters. And the intent of these heaters is to keep the machine warm during standstill, your oil and your motor grease and other things such as that. So inside the machine we have a series of heaters. Now these heaters are connected to a thermostat, so when the enclosure temperature gets too low, the thermostat will kick them on, and once the temperature warms up, they automatically turn off. What's nice about this is that it's all run off of a single power. So here is the power supply from the plant, a disconnect. That power goes into the machine, and the machine distributes the power to all the components we've looked at today.